What if I told you that just 40 squats a day could completely change how you look, how you feel, and even how you think? Most people ignore the basics when trying to transform their bodies or their lives. They think they need complicated gym machines, expensive supplements, or hours of grueling cardio. But what they truly need, what you need, is consistency, discipline, a small action repeated every single day until it becomes part of your identity. And there's no better example than the simple, brutal, transformative power of doing 40 squats every single day. It sounds easy, almost laughably simple, but that's the trap. That's why most people never change. They underestimate the compounding power of consistency. They look for the intense, the flashy, the extreme. But the truth, the real transformation lies in repetition, in effort, in daily pain endured without applause. When you commit to 40 squats every day, you're not just working your legs, you're forging a new mindset. You're telling your body and your mind that excuses are no longer welcome here. In just 1 week, you'll feel it. The soreness that whispers, "You're changing." In 2 weeks, your posture improves, your thighs feel tighter, your core stabilizes. In 1 month, you'll start to look different. Your jeans will fit better. You'll walk taller. Your back won't slouch the same way anymore. And deeper than the physical, you'll start noticing the mental rewiring. You'll feel a little more invincible every time you finish your reps. Because every day you hit 40 squats, you're training your will, your inner warrior. And let's be honest, we all have days when we feel weak, tired, like failures. But on those days, when you drop into that first squat, when your thighs burn on the 30th rep, when you finish despite the exhaustion, that's when you prove something important to yourself. That no matter how chaotic life is, you still have control. That you're not waiting for motivation. You're building momentum. Over time, 40 squats a day becomes your ritual, your anchor, your reminder that greatness is built quietly, 1 rep at a time. You don't need equipment. You don't need anyone's permission. Just a patch of floor, your own body weight, and the decision to stop lying to yourself. This simple habit begins to bleed into other areas of your life. You eat cleaner, not because someone told you to, but because your body craves fuel, not trash. You sleep better, not because of a new pillow, but because you've earned your rest. You become more disciplined in your work, more focused in your goals, more stable emotionally. Why? Because you started showing up for yourself every single day. 40 squats might take 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes that separate the old you from the one who's coming. 2 minutes that decide whether you remain average or become something unrecognizable in the mirror a few months from now. Your legs get stronger. Your heart pumps better. Your glutes firm up. But more than the body, it's the belief that begins to grow. The belief that you can be consistent, that you can change. And when friends ask what you're doing differently, when they start noticing the new fire in your eyes, they won't believe it started with something so small.